There are so many experts out there, but please listen to your body and live your own truth. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Haute Couture Life. My name is Mana, and I'm a beauty and love vegan artist who loves to create beautiful 1950s inspired French style dresses, and I also love to create high vegan meals. And on this channel, we talk about beauty, love, and truth. So if you are interested in, please join our best beautiful community where like-minded people, friends come together. It has been almost 2 years since I became a raw vegan, and today I would love to share with you the most important thing I have learned. I talked in detail about how I discovered this beautiful lifestyle in a recent live video with my gorgeous new friend, raw vegan friend Kiko. If you haven't watched it, please do. Long story short, I discovered this lifestyle through the medical medium by Mr. Anthony Williams. I was gravitated towards the fruit bowl he was making for his recipe, and first I started listening to him and following his thoughts on health. Later on this journey, I found the amazing long-term raw vegan Mr. Marcus Losglands, and I also started listening to him. Then recently, I was about to start listening to Mr. Lauren Luckman, who focuses on water fasting, because some of his points of view resonate with me so much, especially how the body heals itself and the idea based on nature and wild animals. Then I realized and found something very interesting. Even though we all ultimately want to be healthy, vibrant, and beautiful raw vegans, we all have different points of view. Some of them are very opposite actually, and no wonder most people get so confused. For example, if you look at this diagram I made, you will see that some raw vegans love juice fasting. For me personally, I'm very curious about it too. But Mr. Lauren Luckman seems quite against it. I usually love eating monofruit meals. Basically, I'm a fruitarian and I sometimes enjoy leafy greens, but some raw vegan people would tell you to eat a variety of foods including onions, garlic, and cabbage. But personally for me, I find them a little bit bitter and my body doesn't like it after eating them. Some raw vegan people love to count calories, but for me personally, I never do and never interested in, and I'm gonna talk about it in my next video. But the conclusion is that you are the only your own expert. No one, even who is claimed to be a doctor, don't know your exact personal taste, style, and personal background and history of your health. After making this diagram, I realized that how important it is to prioritize what feels great for you. We tend to seek answers and listen to others, especially when it comes to health, what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat. But your own truth is always the answer. Some fruitarian loves to eat peaches and strawberries like me, but other fruitarian maybe loves mangoes and bananas. I realized that following only one way of eating rigidly from other people's opinion or thoughts seems a little bit dangerous unless if you were truly happy with it, because we are all different, unique individuals. You were the only one living in your body and living in your life. Eat when you were hungry, stop when you were full, and if you were confused about what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat, keep listening to your body because every season, every day, every activities are completely different. Especially once your body is clean, it is so easy to listen to. Don't be afraid to keep it very simple. Let's choose fruits or vegetables like children or wild animals. If you need energy, just eat, and if you are not, don't eat. Before asking about health or what to eat as a raw vegan from someone else, always listen to yourself. Do you truly enjoy the taste of the fruits and veggies? And analyze how you feel after the meal. And live by your own truth. If you are not sure about it, you can always contact me, email me, or check the guidebook because this guidebook will always remind you your own truth. I hope today's video was very helpful and bring you new perspective. So if you have anything you wanted to talk about, something you want to be helped with this lifestyle, please always feel free to comment to me or send me email or send me DMs. I am so happy to really connect with you and talk about it. Thank you so much for watching the videos until the end, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, my beautiful friends.